The iPhone 16 Pro is finally here. Apple just unveiled it, packed with upgrades, but the big question is, should you buy it? Let's break down what's new, and if it's worth the upgrade for you. Apple's continuing its titanium frame, but it's lighter and stronger this year. The new colors, titanium black, blue, and natural, are sleek, but the standout design feature is that dynamic island is more seamless and responsive than ever. Apple's Super Retina XDR display has been taken up a notch. You're now looking at up to 2,600 nits of brightness, making it ideal for outdoor use, especially if you're watching HDR content or playing games in direct sunlight. Plus, the 120Hz promotion is smoother as expected. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with the brand new A18 Pro chip, which is Apple's fastest yet. This means you get improved performance in gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Plus, the neural engine is more efficient, helping with AI tasks and photography. Gaming on this thing? It's incredibly fluid with console-quality graphics, all thanks to hardware ray tracing. Seriously impressive for a phone. Now let's talk cameras, because that's what most people are excited about. Apple has upgraded the 48-megapixel main sensor for even better low-light performance and dynamic range. But the real game changer? A new 6x optical zoom with enhanced telephoto capabilities. Whether you're shooting close-up portraits or zooming in on distant subjects, it's incredibly sharp and detailed. But for everyday use, will you notice this? That's up to you. Battery life has also seen an upgrade. Apple claims the A18 Pro chip improves efficiency, meaning the iPhone 16 Pro can last longer on a single charge, even with heavy use. Plus, MagSafe is still around, but there's no drastic improvement in charging speeds, so if you're hoping for faster charging, you might need to wait until future models. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro worth it? If you're coming from an iPhone 13 or older, absolutely. The new cameras, A18 Pro chip, and display upgrades make it a massive leap. But if you already have a 14 or 15 Pro, you might not feel as compelled to upgrade, unless you're really into the camera tech or need the extra performance. What do you think? Is the iPhone 16 Pro worth it for you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.